do, y'all? I'm back here on this sunny day, man. Loving it. So I had to get out and do something. So our rides have been crazy dirty, and I've been kind of collectively getting stuff, cleaning supplies for the upcoming car season here. So I just wanted to kind of test it out today. I picked up some more stuff today. Watched my girls ride here. As you see, got it gleaming. But I picked up a pressure washer last year, if you guys remember that, and that's a couple other things. And today I picked up just some regular cleaning supplies like bucket, brush, all different kinds of things. So let me flip this camera around so I can show you guys what I got. That's the pressure washer that I got. It's been working great, y'all. Phenomenal. What else did I get? Ended up getting this foam cannon right here. So I got this from Amazon. It was only like maybe 15 bucks maybe. So my first time using it. The only negative, and it's a big negative, is this fitting doesn't fit inside of my gun, and I don't know why. It's like a 1,000th of an inch off, and so I had to take my file and basically file around here to get it to fit. I mean, I don't know, it's kind of ridiculous. I don't know why it wouldn't fit on there, but so that held me back about 45 minutes or so to kind of get that to fit. But anyways, made it work. So the cannon came with this nozzle and a tube and one other additional nozzle, like a little nipple or whatever as well. So that was a good buy. I also picked up this Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Wash. I think that was like 29 bucks or whatever. Got that. This is actually a piece that's not related to the car wash stuff, but I got this at a local junkyard because mine is actually dented all up on my car. So I went and snagged that because there was a Escalade at a local yard here, same color and everything. So I went and got some parts off it. So I snagged that up for like super cheap. I got this bucket here today. I got a little what's it called, like a strainer there, so you put it on the bottom of the bucket, and that way all the dirt goes down to the bottom and it keeps it away from your brushes and rags and all that. So I had the strainer already, but I got this bucket today. Those buckets I got at the dollar store a long time ago, but they don't fit my strainer, so just wanted to get something a little bit bigger, and got this today for the SUVs, since the SUVs are a little bit taller and this rides on 26s and I can't reach the roof. But yeah, y'all, just picked up some stuff, testing it out for the upcoming season, and it's been working great. So my girl's ride is super duper clean. Her ride was really dirty, but that foam cannon actually worked pretty good. As you can see, I washed the car like maybe an hour ago and there's foam still sitting there. So but yeah, it turned out pretty damn good, y'all. So anyways, that's all I'm really just doing today, just out here just trying to get some vitamin D and enjoying the sunshine. That's pretty much it. Nothing real exciting, but I wanted to get something done today, and I wanted to just, just share it with you guys and chime in real quick, let you know I'm still staying active, still getting this stuff done. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned for more. Obviously the Chevelle is going soon, the Caprice will be back, and we're gonna be keeping it moving, y'all. So anyways, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all stay positive. I'm out. Deuces.